I forgot to put a negative sign here. Time has to be proportional to the negative root of energy. So if you spend more energy, you can do the construction in less time. That negative is probably missing in the paper, which is there in SSRN. If you get the paper, you should just keep that in mind. Okay, now energy is proportional to the 8 by 3rd root of complexity. So essentially, as complexity increases, you need more energy. Now, all these are kind of intuitive. You think that, okay, time will increase with complexity. Time taken for construction will increase with complexity. Time taken for construction will decrease with the amount of energy you expend. And the energy that you expend will increase with the complexity. So these are all intuitive, but it's like you have a formal model which looks into these relationships. So now, to come to that, back to that question about why does our brain take 17 years to mature? Of course, for some people it'll take even longer, but here's the thing. So what I say next is, okay, if I speed up the process of construction, what happens to the error rate? And then I kind of say that, okay, if you're moving an element from the center to where it's its proper position in the hemispherical sphere, then if the element travels faster, it has a certain window of time to get into this proper position, and then there could be, there's a like normally distributed error, and if the speed becomes larger, then that window of time becomes smaller and smaller because the element will be moving very fast. So it has less time to get into, like it has needs to kind of have a smaller and smaller time as velocity of the element increases to stick to the right position. And that if it doesn't like make it in that window of time, then you get an error. So this error rate increases with velocity as the construction proceeds, and if the frequency of error is epsilon, then the formula for epsilon is this. So how do I get to this formula? You have to read the paper for that. Now, this links up with the fact why evolution decided that, okay, it's not going to speed up the construction of the brain. It is going to take 17 years to do it. Not 10 years, not 40 years, but 17 years. Because there is a benefit to a faster speed. The organism matures faster, like the other great apes will mature a lot faster than us because their brains are not that as complex as ours. And there is also a cost to a faster speed of construction, a cost in the form of a higher rate of error. So evolution is an optimization, and it solved that optimization problem and came up with 17 years for us.